From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
The time lapse up at Mile High Marina in McCall looking a lot more like it should, although I think maybe this should be turning into a little more ice rather than the water there. So we won't be doing any ice skating, at least not anytime soon, but a lot of folks hitting the slopes with the skis and the snowboards and even the sleds through the last week or so because of the snowfall that we've received, but we could always use more, right? So some fresh snow on the way toward the end of the week as we kind of split the week in half, to quiet first half of the week and a more active end of the week and into the holiday weekend. Our highs today seasonably cool, about where we should be for this time of year, mid to upper 30s for high temperatures through the Treasure Valley. We had the cloud cover firmly in place for most of the day today, so not a lot of opportunity to take advantage of the little bit of daylight we're getting to warm things up. We take a look at the bigger picture and you can see that there is a lot going on here. A little bit of energy to our northwest and another low pressure center as you head out into the Pacific. A lot of this energy is going to just kind of hang out off the coast for the next few days. Of course, again, keeping the first half of the week fairly quiet, and then eventually bring the active weather in for us starting about Wednesday and continuing into the weekend. But for tomorrow, I think there will be a line of snow showers. If you draw a line from about Baker City down through the west central part of the Boise Mountains towards Sun Valley, the snow showers will stay mainly along that line and north of there, with the big winner of all of this action and moisture really being the west central mountains. And you can see that's where Futurecast is putting the snow showers for the day tomorrow, continuing overnight Sunday into early Monday morning. So maybe 1 to perhaps 4 inches, especially above higher totals above 6,000 feet for that snow. It's not a lot on the way, but it is something. And maybe Brundage will really benefit from those snow showers. Tomorrow, again, another day where we should be for the middle of December, upper 30s, close to 40 degrees for the Magic Valley, low to mid 30s up through the Central Mountains, and for the Treasure Valley, mid to upper 30s for us once again, maybe a couple degrees warmer than where we were today, and low 30s will do it for highs in our mountain locations. So there's that snow line, as I mentioned, tomorrow, and then we get into the Monday, Tuesday time frame. Wednesday starts to get a little more active, and it continues to be active toward the end of the week. Of course, Friday, Christmas Eve, leading into Saturday, Christmas Day and Christmas morning, and the question is, will it be a white Christmas? I'm seeing the potential for it, that we could actually have an inch of snow on the ground when we wake up on Christmas morning. If that's what you asked Santa Claus for, the potential is there. As I'm showing you the ensemble from the American model, the GFS model, bringing about a foot of snow, maybe more, to our mountain locations. And by Christmas morning, there's that inch in Boise. Some of the Treasure Valley may have that technical white Christmas. It all depends on what the temperature profile looks like. So if the snow showers can continue Christmas Eve overnight when the temperatures are cold enough to see snow lightly accumulate, then maybe an inch by Christmas morning. So we're saying there's a chance, and it looks like more than a historical chance. Typically, the Treasure Valley, Carolyn, anywhere from 0 to a 30% chance of a white Christmas. I'm going with 40 to maybe 50.
Well, you know what? I don't care what age you are. A white Christmas puts a smile on your face.
Magical.
So it's wonderful. In fact, Bree, Bogus Basin has an early holiday treat for skiers and snowboarders. Yesterday, the ski resort announced the mountain will fully open, including night skiing. Bogus says they got 35 inches of snow in the last week, which combined with their snowmaking, it means they're ready to roll before Christmas. All right.